In the heart of mystical Egypt, under the golden sun's watchful eye, lies one of the oldest and most enigmatic structures known to mankind, the Great Sphinx of Giza. This colossal statue, half human and half lion, has silently witnessed epochs pass by, bearing secrets that continue to elude even the sharpest minds in history. Step into this tale filled with intrigue where every stone whispers stories waiting to be heard. Join us on this thrilling journey unraveling the secrets of the Great Sphinx of Giza, where history meets mystery at every turn. The Sphinx's mysterious gaze is so intense it almost appears to be alive. It seems as if it is guarding something, a secret perhaps? Many believe that hidden beneath its lion-like body are ancient chambers filled with untold treasures and knowledge from a civilization long gone. Its construction itself is shrouded in mystery. Built from a single chunk of limestone around 4,500 years ago during Egypt's Old Kingdom era, or so we think, its origins are as elusive as a desert mirage. Some claim extraterrestrial intervention while others speak of lost technologies. One cannot help but be intrigued by its missing nose, another captivating enigma. Legend whispers that Napoleon's troops used it for target practice during his Egyptian campaign, but historical records suggest otherwise. Then there's an intriguing theory surrounding its age. Traditional chronology places its creation around 2500 BC under Pharaoh Khafre's reign. However, recent geological studies suggest it could be thousands of years older. Imagine what secrets those extra millennia could hold. And let's not forget about the riddle-infused dream stele nestled between its paws. It speaks about Thutmose IV falling asleep under the Sphinx, after which he dreams about becoming pharaoh, an event that strangely comes true. Even today, despite countless explorations and studies over centuries, whether through tunnels dug by treasure hunters or sophisticated seismographs used by modern archaeologists, what lies beneath this majestic structure remains largely unknown. Do secret chambers lie waiting? Is there buried treasure, or perhaps encrypted insights into an ancient civilization beyond our current understanding? No one knows, yet.